Hey, if you trying to make easy money, this video is for you. Yes, you right there.
Okay, out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tennis. Chop out the top, hit it the limits.
YouTube, it's your boy J-Mont, man. Today I'm gonna be talking about how to make easy money just by uploading videos on YouTube. I mean, myself, it's really not that hard. All you gotta do is find a passion that you like. But if you're starting YouTube just because of the money, like a lot of people, they start off vlogging. Like you don't have nobody to watch your videos. Nobody's not interested in nothing you do because you're vlogging. You shouldn't start off your YouTube just about vlogging. You should start off like with stuff that's trending. Like me, I didn't know that. I learned that from other YouTubers telling me that you have to start off with stuff that's trending. Like if something's trending that week, you got to do it before everybody else do it within like 2 days at least. Like probably the 4th day is probably gonna be dead and it's over with. Like recently the slime prank, I didn't get the chance to do that because I wanted to do that on somebody, but it lasted for like a week or a month, and then not even a month, but it was over with. And then people start uploading, they didn't get that much views. You get paid off of views. Every view you get and every certain amount of views you get paid off of that. So if you want to start a YouTube, don't start it just because, ooh, I want to make money. I want to make money. No, it's not based off of that. You gotta start YouTube because you love doing something, passionate about it. So if you want to like show off your shoes or something, like most people like gaming. Like for instance, I like playing PlayStation. A live stream on a game, most people like doing stuff like that, and they interested in watching you, and you get views off of that, like uploading stuff like that. So you really gotta do stuff that you like, interest you, and interest the other people that's watching, that's gonna click on your video. And another thing is thumbnails. Thumbnails is the key. Nobody's gonna click on your thumbnail if you just got a picture of you. Honestly, I'm just not gonna click on it. And you gotta have like a little catchy title. If you got a little catchy title, I'm guaranteeing you somebody's gonna click on that. And like the most recent video, I didn't know I was gonna get that many views. The most recent video I posted was Queen IG. She's a famous YouTuber that's transitioned to a singer or R&B artist, and I recorded her live. I didn't think I was gonna get 14,000 views. I honestly did not think I was gonna get 14,000 views. But you gotta do stuff like that. Was like, I guess she was popping at the time because she was doing radio stations. She was going to radio doing interviews and stuff. So people was wanting to watch that if they couldn't make it, if they had work, graduation, because it was on a Saturday, end of school year. So if you really want to do this YouTube thing, it's not that hard. It's easy if you have a passion for it. And you got to be consistent. Out of all these YouTubers that told me, you have to be consistent. That was the first thing they said. Consistent. You got to upload. If you upload every week, upload every week. If you upload a certain day, then your viewers know when to come click on your channel. Oh, he uploaded today. I know such and such is going to upload today. So if you really want to do this, you can do it. So other than that, man, it's not that hard. Honestly, not that hard. But anyways, man, if you're watching this, man, please like and subscribe, man. Road to 1 million. I'm going big dreams, man. Big dreams. Road to 1 million, man. 1 million. And I'm going to do a giveaway on my other channel, man. Please go subscribe to that, man. Please subscribe to my channel. Other than that, man, I'm out. Peace.
My clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I done, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek.